Welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Hope and this is my mommy standing here.
Hi guys, welcome back. I hope this hair in my mouth. I hope you guys love our new intro. And today I'm featuring Miss Teen Korigas, winner 2023, Miss Summer Queen, first runner-up, no second runner-up, ne? Miss Summer Queen, second runner-up 2023, Miss Wonderland, first runner-up 2023. And what other pageant did you do this year? Only those three. Okay, and a finalist now for Miss Glitz International and Miss Teen Africa and Miss Cosmos High School 2023 finalist. And yeah, today is Friday, she's after school. Quickly here with Hope, we wanna go, what are we doing? It's a vlog. So we wanna go look for pageant shoes. Yesterday I've been looking for shoes for Hopi, but then I thought it's just better for her to go along and go try. Sorry guys for the wind, but where we are standing it's very windy. Let's go. Afternoon. How are you?
Also nice.
But they don't have smaller sizes. Even a 6 would have been fine for this one. Guys, geen sis nie. Hey. That one is so new. Stuck in a lift. That is about it.
A few moments later.
We got to be rescued. They were actually quite helpful. They took our details, asked us if we needed an ambulance. Other people were like they were feeling dizzy and whatnot. But we are doing fine. I'm very impressed with the way Mo handled it. And then they also sent like an apology and whatnot. So it happens really. So it's not a big deal. Anyway, we're just here in the car waiting for my husband. And then we're gonna drive home. Mommy girl, sitting in front. Are you feeling okay? We didn't get shoes yet for Hopi. Our trip was a bit unsuccessful. But we will still go check. Yeah. Still continue to check. The nice shoes, you couldn't find sizes. And then the one pair that we could find was like very, very out of budget. So we decided to just maybe do a lay-by for now. But we'll still see if we cannot find a pair of shoes for her. See you guys a bit later. Hope you say bye for now. Bye. Good morning, besties. This is Saturday morning. We're just getting ready to head out of the house for a bit of an exercise, but also just to catch fresh air from the outside, going hiking and running. Are you going? Let's go. Gonna put the baby here later, and here's the bottle. Change of plans. Apparently we're going hiking up the mountain, and I'm wearing Hope's beanie. Up the mountain. Yet wanna go to the kitty. I thought you wanted to go to the cat. Let's go. Leave my baby. This mountain looks so close. Our house is there. This mountain looks so close from our house, but it's actually far. The access is restricted, so we can't go up there one day. And there's such a beautiful view. When your daddy is adventurous, take care of my baby. I'm also coming that way. Are you going back up the mountain? Let's go. Stones are not for eating. Ti babagiro. Sorry. Ti babagiro eh. Mama sene.
It was years ago, but how can I forget?
Hi guys, again we came back, we cleaned up, and I'm preparing breakfast for my family. I'm very high on taking care of people who take care of you. These are people that I get to spend every single day with in our home, and they deserve to be treated. So I do not keep my dishes and stuff away until family comes to visit from outside, or until we have guests. People that we live with deserve to eat pretty also. I just feel like that. So I am preparing breakfast. We're gonna have some toast, viennas, beans, eggs. I wanted to make an omelette, but I'm not sure. I'm still deciding. But at least I've made the other stuff. I want to try to make also flapjacks, and then probably juice, tea, just normal basic breakfast stuff. We don't have bacon, we don't have mushrooms, and we're not gonna force things. We're gonna work with whatever's already in the house. So enjoy the video.
Thought the love wasn't for me, no. I still think of you. I still dream of you. But if you hold me close, I won't let go again. We have time to grow. This wasn't a mistake, and we can grow old if you love me again, my friend. This time is different, so please do not let me go. Please do not let me.
Okay, we're almost done flapjacks, and in the baby's plate we have a bit of pancakes. He's not gonna have his with syrup, egg, sausage, beans, and avocado. Are you ready to have your breakfast? Ready to have your breakfast? Are we putting it up here? Yeah. You cleaned up your hands and eat. Kobe, you guys say hi. Kobe and Queen. The kitchen is still such a mess. Tata Mos, you already greeted in the morning. I don't think we're gonna use the cheese. Kobe, you can pack it away. Come, let's tidy up. Okay guys, breakfast is ready. We have beans, eggs, sausage, toast, flapjacks, avocado, syrup, juice, tea, no coffee because no one wants to drink coffee this morning, and then we're gonna enjoy. Yum. White toast. Two slices.
I wanna be a shining light, live a life that shows through the darkness, a fire burning in the night, be a hope for the world so broken, be a friend to the lonely, the joy that he showed me, make the broken things new, yeah.
Are you done? Guys, this is the mess that comes after letting a baby self-feed, but we let him eat on his own. Finished most of the egg. He finished his beans. Looks like he enjoyed the beans like his daddy. Didn't touch the sausage. Not much of the flapjacks. Not much of the avocado. Come, let's have you taste this. Yum. It's delicious. So now I'm gonna help him finish off his food. Uncle, say hello.
Hello.
Hi guys, meet my little brother. You've also seen him on the moving vlog.
I was supposed to put on my hoodie.
Your what?
My hoodie.
Your hoodie?
Yeah.
You don't want to show that you didn't cut your hair.
No, I I'm very unfresh.
Eh?
I'm very unfresh. You got me off guard.
Now go put on your hoodie. But you look fine, huh?
You got me off guard.
You're my cute little brother. You still look fine, huh?
Yeah.
Why are you removing? We are putting up canvases this morning. Hey, Uncle came with a whole toolbox, guys. Whole toolbox. Uncle, do you want to share the story of what the toolbox helped you do? Do you want to share your story? Why you must always be with a toolbox. Look at this one saying Tata to the uncle. Happy to see your uncle. Happy to see your uncle.
Seems so.
Moet ons skryf, wat moet ons skryf?
These windows. Both.
No vat, skryf net.
Goes through the darkness, a fire burning in the night. Be a hope for a world so broken. Be a friend to the lonely, the joy that he showed me. Make the broken things new. Yeah, the only hope.
Which one do they think has to be shuffled to which side?
Now, shift a little bit out of the way so that the YouTubers can see. Guys, please comment down below apparently how should the canvases be shuffled around or moved around. Thank you so much, my little brother. We have to still continue to build into that wall. Ella. We also decided to fill up the album that we bought in one of the previous vlogs. I was telling you guys that when we do the pictures, I will vlog. So this is what we're doing here. This is the baby's photo shoot. He was about 5 days old here. A very, very beautiful photo shoot that was done by Lauren Herunga. Very lovely lady. So we're just filing, filing his pictures, I want to say, or putting them in an album. Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Again, today is Sunday and Gagung, like my baby boy says, Gagung church. Ngagboa church. We are on our way to church, CRC, for an evening service. We don't normally go to CRC, but I didn't go to church in the morning. My husband went alone. So I'm taking the girls. Hobie decided to match with me. Guys, Hope's outfit is so cute. I'll go show you the shoes when you get. Hobie, say hi.
Hi guys.
And the queen.
Hi guys.
Hope stylist. This girl's come decided that they're gonna dress up for church, and me, I just decided to wear a shirt and a pair of jeans. Ooh, sorry. All right guys, we'll catch you when we get there, and I'm also gonna close out this vlog now already. Okay, that is how our Sunday was about. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing. Hope if you're gonna be doing your hair, then you can as well just be in my video. Please consider subscribing, and then you can become part of the CL family. Our channel name is not even CL Nuptials anymore. It's like Life with CL, Simba's new name that he came up with. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Toodles, until next time. You guys can tap out. Yay! Rich uncle with the Amarok. Ngasin yo. Latvieta shino ganja kom.
Okay.
Ne? Veilig Reine. Love you.
Love you too.
Say hi to my vlog.
Hey.
Say bye to my vlog.
Bye. See you guys.
Bye. Stop. Oh, thank you. Should I park outside, inside? It's fine, Hobby. We made it to our destination out of all the struggles and everything, guys. And these people are so organized. Like, they are with flags on the road and showing us where to turn off. So yeah, she's the place to be, Shem. I really love how organized they are. So let's go. Bye.